Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check the serial number of your Powerbeats Pro. So first of all, you have to pair this device with your iPhone or any other iOS device. Simply open the case, then click and hold this button. It's located right here. Take a look on this indicator. When it starts blinking, we have to release the button. It means that right now the device is in the pairing mode. So we can simply go to the settings, go for the Bluetooth settings, and then turn it on by tapping on the switcher. As you can see, the Powerbeats appears right here, so we can connect them. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Even when it's right here connected, click continue and then tap on the information icon of our device. And when you scroll down, the serial number will appear in this place. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.